Hello and welcome to my channel, Sword Butchery. My name's Michael and today we are going to be looking at chopping up a chicken. So we've got our chicken here. This one is from Sons Poultry, who are a Yorkshire-based company and really do top quality chickens. These are the best of the best. So that's what we want. So we're going to start off by taking the legs off the bird. So we'll be left with the legs and the crown, and then we'll move on in each stage till we end up with 10 pieces of chicken. So super simple. This is definitely something you can do at home. I'm just going to be using 2 knives today, so if you've got a smaller knife and a slightly longer one, then that's all you're going to need. So let's do it. So here we go. We've got our chicken. It's been unwrapped. So we're going to start really nice and simple. Pull the legs out, and then we're going to get our big knife and we are going to cut through this section here. So we're looking to separate the legs from the crown of the chicken. So we cut through down here and using one big press. There we are. So we've separated that section there. So now we've got our crown. It's going to be really good for a Christmas roast, something like that. And then our legs. So we'll look to the legs next. So we're going to start by removing the feet. So cutting through this tendon here. So 1 and 2. And then we can look to remove some of the backbone from the legs. Now this is super simple. We can just pull down, so pop that joint out there and then open that section up, and then we're just looking to then cut through that joint. There we are. So that's one leg off, and the same with the other side. So pop that joint and cut through. We've now got 2 legs. This piece of backbone we can use for a stock, soup, something like that. Loads of meat still on there, so that'll make up a lovely stock or soup. So now we've got our 2 legs. We can then separate this further if we want to into our thighs and drumsticks. Now if we have a feel, we can feel the joint there. So clear section there. So we get our knife, and this should be nice and easy to cut through here, and we cut through there. Now we've got a thigh and our drumstick. So we can do the same with the other leg, thigh and drumstick. So there's our legs cut into 4. Then move back on to our crown. So our chicken breast here, chicken breast and our wings. So we're now going to separate those into 2. Now I'll see a lot of people try and cut down like this. Now the carcass can't really support the weight of the knife going down this way. So it's better to always flip it over and then we poke our knife through. Now this way we are going to have to be a little bit careful. So poke our knife through and then we can simply push down and cut through like that. Now we then come to cutting through the backbone. So we're going to go either side, so we're going to cut one side and then we're going to cut the other side as well. Once again, this backbone is going to be great for our soups and stocks, so we can keep that bit for later. Now this is quite a big chicken, so I would say one of those breasts is going to be too much for one person. So this way we can decide that we're going to cut that in half. So I would look to go about halfway and then just simply cut through and chop. So all these bits are great for on the barbecue. Loads of flavour in all that bone. In a slow cooker, something like that, delicious. So we'll do the same with the other side. And chop that through there. So then we can then remove the wings if we want to. Now this is going to be, this is probably the trickiest part, I would say, and we're looking to open up this joint here. So right in the, I don't know, the pit of the chicken there, we're going to be cutting off the wing. So there we go. We can then remove any bits of neck that are left on, remove any of those bits. And then we've got our wing and our breast there. We can then remove the tip if we wanted to as well. Some people like to just cut them whole. It's quite easy to remove that bit, there's no real meat on there. So, and it cuts really nice and easy, the cartilage is nice and easy to remove. So then we've got our wing cut off there. We'll do the same with the other side. So once again, right in that corner piece. There we go. And once again, we can remove that piece of neck. Don't really want that on there. So that's our 10 pieces of chicken. So we've got our pieces of breast. Let's get those all on there for you. So 4 pieces of breast. We've got our chicken wings. I'll take that tip off again. 2 wings. We've got our chicken thighs. And we've got our drumsticks. So all that is going to be super delicious, super tasty. Like I say, put those in a rub, pop them on the barbecue, loads of flavour there. Or, if not, you can put them in a slow cooker, real nice winter warmer. We've got those pieces of carcass as well, which we can make our stocks with, our stews. Lots of flavour and really nice and simple. So, hope that helps. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Give us a like and a subscribe.